Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Palak Paneer or Saag Paneer. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need palak or spinach, paneer or Indian cheese, onion, ginger, tomatoes, green chili pepper, green methi leaves or fenugreek leaves, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, green cardamom, cloves, salt and oil or ghee. Okay, my stove is on and this step is optional. So I cut my paneer in cubes. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna shallow fry my paneer. It's optional, you can do it or you can skip it. You can deep fry if you want to, and also you don't have to do it if you don't like it. And gives a very pretty color if you do this step. Then we're gonna turn it around so both sides can cook. So if you're shallow frying, we're not using a lot of oil. You can do deep fry if you like it, but I'm just doing for the color. It looks very pretty. It looks like this. And we're gonna take it out. As I said, you don't have to do this. Alright, so it looks like this. Now we're going to add cumin. Sorry, it's a cinnamon stick. Sorry about that. I think I forget to tell you in the ingredients there was a cinnamon stick too. If I did not say that, there is. So I used 3 green cardamoms. It tastes amazing if you use that, and cumin seeds. So basically it has cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon sticks and green cardamom. So next we're adding onion. Sometimes what happens, you use the same spice for other recipe that does not taste the same, because the vegetables and whatever you're cooking, everything is made for, I think, that recipe. Like sometimes if you use, I did not use a bay leaf in there, I don't like it, especially in this recipe, because cardamom makes entire difference in there. If you don't have that, that should be okay too, but it's better if you have it. Alrighty, so I'm adding, sorry my hand is wrong, ginger. When you're adding the dry spices, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, just don't cook for like too long, just for maybe a couple seconds, or maybe like, you know, don't cook for a minute or so, because they're gonna burn so quickly. So we don't want that, because they're still gonna be add their flavor in the paneer or palak. So here is our green chili pepper. You can use less or more. My family likes spicy, so it's okay, but you can use less or you can avoid if your kids or you don't like the spicy food. At this point I'm not using more oil, because it seems like okay. It's transparent, not like fully brown, but I'm gonna add tomatoes at this point. You can puree them, I did not. I'm going to add more oil in there, if you does not like more oil, what you can do, you can add a little bit water, let it cook, and when you see the your mixture leaving the sides and you can see the oil around it, and it's good. Otherwise you can add teaspoon more. I'm using good oil, so I don't really worry about it. Alrighty, so spinach, I washed them really well, and after that I blanched for a couple minutes, and then I blend it. So it's not totally blended, but I did blend it. So it's look like this. Okay. Sometimes I cook without turmeric powder, so I missed that. Sorry about that. Here, we could add it. We can cook it around. If not, you can add a bit oil. You don't have to, but you can bit oil in here, then we can cook it in the side. Sorry about that. Sometimes I cook without turmeric, so because I like to see sometimes green and white, because then you can see better your paneer. See, even I add the turmeric, it doesn't make so much difference until I think I'm gonna add the paneer in there. So far I don't see so much difference. See here. Alrighty, so I'm adding methi leaves, which is fenugreek leaves. It's green and people dry them, and you can buy from the any Indian store. It's called Kasoori Methi, and it adds really good flavor into it. Alrighty, so we're now adding a paneer at this point. We're gonna cover it, cook for a little bit, then we'll check it back. Alrighty, let's check it. See, there's a lot of water in there now, but it's okay. Alright, now we're gonna add our paneer in there. It's already looking so good to me. So we're covering it so all the juices from spinach or palak can get in there in the paneer. So we're gonna cover it again and cook it, and our heat is medium low. Basically at this point we want to cook a little more, and also we want to get all the juice from the spinach get in the paneer. We're gonna cover it and we'll be back. Alrighty, let's check it. It seems like our palak paneer is ready, but at this point I am gonna higher a little bit the heat because I want it a little bit dry. So because when you cover it, it leaves a lot of water from the steam. Now I can see yellow in there. Before I was not. So for this recipe I am not using cilantro because I add fenugreek leaves, and their flavor and their taste is good. I just doesn't want to add another ingredient to just overpower that. Alrighty, so our palak paneer is almost done. Let's plate that. Alright, here is our palak paneer or saag paneer ready to eat. You can add a little bit butter or ghee before you eat. You're all set. You can eat with naan, chapati, rice, or as it is. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, click on the bell icon to get a notification for my upcoming videos. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.